and surrounding cities. Y'all ready? July 4th, one unit, Innocent Rebel Squad Promotion presents Wipeout, the official Independence Barbecue.
It all goes down Thursday, July 4th, Independence Day, at Lux Outdoor Complex, 5688 International Drive. That's on the corner of Kirkman and I Drive.
Music by the top DJs in Orlando, DJ Recon, Facey Squad, Yard World, Innocent Sound, Rebel Squad. Don't forget, food and drinks is on sale. We got the foam pit, we got the water slide. You don't want to miss this daytime barbecue Independence Fest.
That's right, it's a day party. Gates open at 4 p.m. and we party straight back to 11. Bring tickets on sale at the following participating locations: Caribbean Sunshine Bakery, all 3 locations, 340s in Pine Hills, Golden Crust in Kissimmee, My Asian Couture in the Kirkman Plaza, and Alvin's Cuisine on West Colonial.
Don't forget to bring the kids. Kids are absolutely free under the age of 12. Wipeout, Orlando, you don't want to miss this. Big up all my island people, Guyana, Trini, VI, Jamaica, the whole world. This event starts at 4 p.m. and finishes at 11 p.m. So get there early.
For more information, call 407-217-4667. That's 407-217-4667.
Wipeout, July 4th, Independence Day. You don't want to miss this. The biggest water party in Orlando.
It all goes down at Lux Outdoor Complex, 5688 International Drive. That's on the corner of Kirkman and I Drive.
Independence Day, July 4th. Wipeout.
Wipe out the whole of them. Them a laugh, man, I laugh with people, man.